everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 17th to the 21st of April 2023 on Monday. Things turned from bad to worse for Kidiboni and Veronica, and Bukhosi and his sons disagree on how to handle the threats from Lindiwe on Tuesday. Kidiboni and Veronica lead get them nowhere. Bukhosi remains stressed about the investigation into the operation on Wednesday. Lindiwe and Bukhosi can't clinch a victory through the death of one man. Things start to go well for Kidiboni and Veronica even as they prepare themselves for the worst on Thursday. Bukhosi tried to throw Lindiwe off track. Veronica and Kidiboni get closer to the truth. Ndumiso gives Andile some much needed brotherly advice on Friday. Things turns in an expected way for Veronica and Kidiboni. Lindiwe opens her arms while Bukhosi hides his hand. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.